In order to deliver feed under sanitary conditions to the flock, proper cleaning and disinfection program of feeding equipment is important. The feeding system should be thoroughly cleaned during sanitary voids as a part of a comprehensive house cleaning and disinfection program. In poultry housing systems, several feed and drinker lines are installed, covering the whole length of the house. Feed is provided via feed pens, and the main supply is from silos with an auger system to provide parallel feeding lines. The feed silos must always be located on a paved surface, filled from outside the lofts and kept clean by removing any spilled feed. The silos must be numbered and in clean and good condition. Fill-in pipes on the poultry farm coded with a company unique number and/or letter. After the removal of birds and before the next cycle, any remaining feed must be removed from the silo and feeding system by running the feed auger until the system is completely empty. Remaining leftover feed must be disposed of along with the litter. Spilled feed in the barn attracts vermin and should be cleaned up immediately. Brooms, vacuums or blowers can be used to remove all feed residues from spaces that are not allowed to be washed with water. Water and feed lines must be raised and feeder pans must be opened. An effective cleaning and disinfection of the total feed system should include the silo, bins and delivery systems. Disconnect the power to the bin and wash the inside of the auger and pipe with hot water under high pressure. A safety harness must be worn and used correctly at all times to ensure employee safety when working from the top to the bulk bin. Cleaning the drinking water system includes flushing with water, followed by filling with a specific cleaning product, and after sufficient exposure time, according to the manufacturer's instructions, must be rinsed thoroughly. The silo is washed with warm water heated to 90 degrees. The silos can be a source of microorganisms as well as insects and parasites. It is recommended to work with a hot water high pressure cleaner to effectively remove feed residues, mold and other impurities. The whole process on average takes 1 hour to clean 4 silos, including the vent pipe and the filling tube. The exterior of the silo is also cleaned to remove dirt. After cleaning and thoroughly drying, disinfectant is applied, following manufacturer's recommendations for dilution rates. This ensures that they are sterile on the inside. After wet cleaning and disinfection, the silo must remain empty long enough to allow them to dry. All detachable parts of the drink lines and feeding equipment like the pans, change and troughs must be soaked in detergent for 24 hours to soften the attached dirt. This is followed by scrubbing them with sponges and brushes and then rinse them with water at high pressure. Dry in a closed and clean environment to prevent contamination by wild birds and rodents. Drinking water in poultry houses is one of the risk factors significantly related to the Salmonella flock status, and a greater risk of contamination of drinking water with Salmonella is from trout drinkers and plastic bell drinkers than from nipple drinkers. This is because chickens can contaminate cups by defecating in them or by stepping and walking in it. Drinking cups, because of their fragile and angular construction, are difficult to clean. Check for dust or debris on the surface and repeat the process in case of any visual debris. Cleaning the silos ensures better hygiene. However, after cleaning, ATP analysis can also be carried out for checking the effectiveness. Bacterial monitoring after cleaning and disinfection will confirm the effectiveness of the procedure and can be used routinely to assess the efficiency of cleaning and disinfection. Specific locations, for example feed hoppers and drinking lines, can be sampled using agar contact plates or sponge swabs to perform bacteriological analysis. No Salmonella species should be isolated during sampling. If Salmonella is present, cleaning and disinfection procedures should be repeated until none is detected. If wetting is not allowed, other alternatives would be to use vacuums, blowers, fumigation, or other regionally approved organic acids. Finally, always after dry cleaning, protect the areas from moisture by keeping them covered. Thank you for viewing this video. For information on biosecurity application in poultry production, visit the NetPoolSafe website.